Hello all, in this video we are going to review and make a tutorial on SoloLearn on my Nokia 8. We will cover all the features of SoloLearn, so let's dive in. For the first time, you will have to sign up and verify your email to get the full access. When you start, the first menu is the Learn menu. You can find the courses on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS and Bootstrap 3 in the web development section. Meanwhile, all the programming languages including C++, Java, C#, Python, etc. can be found in the programming languages section. The latest auditions menu covers the articles posted on the website. You can read, share, save, copy the link and report the article. You can enroll in any course by tapping on the course. The app comes with great functionality. Courses contain reading material and then quizzes to help you learn quickly. Once you are enrolled in one of the courses, you can find the course on the top whenever you open the app. As you progress through the course, more sections are unlocked. The app comes with a rewarding system called badges. As you progress, you earn badges. You can find the earned badges in the profile settings. The good thing about SoloLearn is it is completely free and it is not just a learning app. The app does a lot more. Let's move to the second menu, which is the challenge menu. You can challenge your friends or select a random person in a quiz. To do that, you will have to choose your language as a weapon and find your friend, or tap on random to play with a random person. Once you are matched with someone, a series of questions will be asked from both of you. The winner earns the points. The third section is like a social section. Here, users share thoughts, photos and links. You can also like, dislike and comment on each post. The fourth section is for coders. Users here share their coding skills. You can find the programs developed by other users. You can create your own programs or contribute to others. After tapping a project, you can see the languages and scripts used to make the program and tap on output on the top or run on the bottom to see the output of the program. You can also edit the code to make it better or like, dislike and comment on the project. You can see the others' comments by tapping on the comments icon. Let's move to the last section, which is SoloLearn Forum. You can ask questions if you have any. You can also check out others' questions and answers given to those questions and search for the question you're looking for. Let's move to the profile settings and see what we can expect. You can view your activity, posts, codes, skills, badges, level and goal. You can share your thoughts by tapping on the plus button down the bottom. The add people button on the top suggests you the programmers. Meanwhile, you can also discover nearby coders. You can invite friends, find contacts and search for Facebook friends who use SoloLearn. SoloLearn Pro is also available if you are keen to learn to program. It comes with features including daily learning goal, personalized activity insights, see who viewed your profile, who's learning nearby, and no ads. You can try it for free before purchasing the plan. The Leaderboard section uses Google Play Games to record your rank locally and globally. Other options include Lesson Factory, Quiz Factory, Invite Friends, Rate, Feedback, and change the settings. In the settings menu, you can edit your profile, change the password, connect accounts, block an account, manage weapons, and much more. You can also activate the night mode and sign out of your account. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video SoloLearn review and tutorial on Android. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for Android, iOS, and PC.